See this right here? We just unboxed the beehive that's gonna go out back. Horticulture 101. You need bees to pollinate, cross-pollinate. Bees, you get honey and wax from bees. Bees beneficial to the garden. You know, this just the start of it right here. We putting it together. Me and brother Joseph putting this joint together. Got young Zayn with us. Sitting out here doing something positive. You know, gotta keep battling in this truth. And this truth not about games, Israel. You gotta practice what you preach. The scriptures want us to be warriors, wise men, family men, and farmers. So this one aspect right here is being a farmer. Right here. Dealing with the bees, cultivating bees. So this episode 1 to horticulture with where this episode 18 part 1 to getting back to your roots, little series I be doing. Just try to get the kids something to look forward to, something different than just what they see on TV and you know, all the other stuff, wicked devices that's out here. You know, this is spiritual right here. This is a spiritual thing. Shalom.